It's 2 a.m., everything is dark, eyes closed. And suddenly, your brain says, "Wait!" A light turns on, heart racing, sleep is gone. All day you were tired, nothing worked. No ideas, no motivation, just emptiness. But now, at night, your brain becomes a genius. Thoughts start running, ideas crash into each other. Your body wants rest, your brain wants attention. Sleep matters, tomorrow matters. Brain doesn't care. What if you forget this idea forever? What if this was the answer to everything? Your mind turns into a factory, machines everywhere. Sparks, sirens, too many thoughts at once. The pillow begs you to sleep. The brain refuses. Time slips away. Tomorrow gets smaller. Here's the truth. Your brain isn't smarter at night. It's just quieter. Daytime is noise, pressure, expectations. Night is silence. No one watching. In silence, your brain finally opens the vault. But here's the good news. You don't need 2 a.m. to think clearly. Stop chasing thoughts. Chasing scares them away. Ideas are fireflies, gentle, fragile. Open a jar. Capture them calmly. Keep a notebook. Keep notes ready. Your mind is a backpack full of bricks. Unload it before sleep. 10 minutes. Write everything out. Your brain needs permission to think. Schedule thinking time. Every day. Pressure kills creativity. Ideas are seeds, not diamonds. Notifications are mental noise. Silence becomes fuel. Sleep is not laziness. Rested minds win. Morning comes. Your mind feels clear. The ideas are still there. Now you choose when to think. You are not broken. Your brain just wants space. Clarity beats chaos. Tonight, place the notebook by your bed. Tomorrow, create silence on purpose. Don't wait for 2 a.m. Own your mind. It's 2 a.m., and this time, you're sleeping. Stillness, silence, control.